Good morning to everyone. I'm Camilla and I would like to present to you my thesis work. As you surely know, organic solvents are widely used in different restoration processes, but at the same time we are well aware of the risk they entail. A long exposure to the vapor can affect the environment and the restorer's health, often causing pathological conditions. My thesis works focused on the retouching process of a polychrome artwork and especially on the varnish colors used in the operation that are usually diluted in organic solvents. The aim of the work was to try to define a greener solvent which could replace the organic solvent currently being used. To do so, I started with a bibliographic research and a survey conducted with restorers of different age to better understand the method, materials, and restorers' needs. From the survey, Gamblin Conservation Colors and Maimeri Restoration Colors seem to be the most commonly varnished colors used nowadays, and they are usually diluted in ethyl lactate. Thus, the color was taken in consideration during the study, and the ethyl lactate was taken as a reference. To find a suitable green solvent, different acetals and acetals blends were taken in consideration, and the selection was made thanks to the solubility triangle. Samples were created reproducing the real stratigraphy of an artwork. 14 solutions were prepared at the 40%, 6 with the Gamblin colors diluted in acetals and acetals blend, plus a reference solution made with the color and the ethyl lactate. Same process and percentages were used for the Maimeri solution. The different colors layers were applied with a macro pipette, which made the experiment reproducible. Volatility being an important parameter for both health risks and the applicability of the product, it was evaluated by performing gravimetric analysis with an analytic scale, relative humidity and temperature keep it constant. To control if our layers gives the same chromatic results as the reference, spectrocolorimetric analyses were performed on all the different layers, and the total color variation was calculated. Last but not the least, FTIR spectroscopy in ATR mode was performed on the layers to evaluate the presence of residual solvents within them. The spectrum collected did not show any characteristic peaks of the solvents inside the layers. In conclusion, the analysis carried out showed that acetals and acetal blends proposed give the best results for both colors, providing even the same chromatic effect obtainable with ethyl lactate. Regarding the volatility test, the solvent proposed had a higher volatility respect to the reference, and some further study are needed to better settle this parameter. Furthermore, to come full circle, as to speak, we would like to give the restorers the solvents that gave the best result in this study to verify their applicability during the real world condition. In conclusion, find a new green solvent is not an easy task, but it surely is worth finding new solutions for sustainable development. Thank you very much for your attention.